everyone, happy fall. We're so excited to have an event that should be cool outdoors. So we want to invite you to the Oktoberfest that we are having with beer tasting October 21st from 3 to 6 here at 5711 Northwest Parkway, where there's going to be plenty of beer to try out, wonderful food to include pretzels as well, and some games. So bring your cornhole competitiveness and your beer tasting taste buds and come join us. Make a reservation clicking below. And again, that is Saturday, October 21st from 3 to 6 here at 5711 Northwest Parkway. And we look forward to seeing you and having some fun.